all day long.
I have somewhere in my house something I bought from the internet, which is Boots Chemist. So our chemist, your CVS, we have Boots, which is our standard chemist. It's a logo of healthcare, of stuff that's good for you. Boots used to sell cigarettes for coughs.
Duh.
I've got some. I've got a tin somewhere. It's brilliant. So and it shows you how you should smoke them to get rid of your cough.
Oh, boy.
So I think...
That wasn't that long ago.
No, that's probably after the Second World... No, before the Second World War.
Crazy.
I would have thought
100
so.
years ago, they thought cigarettes were good for coughs.
Of course they did. but then someone...
I just Googled something like it to see if I'd find the ad, and AI says that menthol cigarettes are flavored to help with coughs.
Oh, come on.
What?
It says the menthol can decrease the cough reflex.
Which can help with coughs.
heard of that.
By reducing airway pain and irritation, menthol can reduce the pain and irritation caused by cigarette smoke. Decreasing the cough reflex, menthol triggers cold, sensitive nerves in the skin, which can decrease the cough reflex. Soothing a dry throat. Menthol can soothe the dry throat feeling. That's funny that AI is willing to say something that's very un-PC.
You think the AI fucked up here? Because
Yeah.
I've never heard that.
Well, it's probably true. It's terrible for you.
Yeah, however, smoking can make you cough more. Duh.
Interesting.
That's so weird.
Yeah,
Can't you take menthol without it being in the format of a cigarette?
I'm sure.
Yeah, it's a cough drop, I think.
Yeah.
But what we've learnt about metallurgy is fascinating, and it does mean that's why we have to apply that to what we